Hey everyone, Frederica from YFIA here, and I'm here to talk to you all today about meal prepping in order to save some money. So here we go. All right, so in the first few clips, I'm just going to show you what I'll be meal prepping and what I'll be using to season my meal prep, and also the containers I'll be using to put my meal prep in. All right, so I'm going to be meal prepping salmon, avocado, and baby spinach today. I'll be using Old Bay seasoning, lemon pepper seasoning, and some garlic to season my salmon and my spinach. And I'll be using these containers, as you can see here. I got my containers from Ross. You can get them from Ross, Amazon, Marshalls, or you can even go to the Dollar Tree and get some Tupperware to put your meal prep in. It's really just about having something to put the meal prep in. You do not have to go and spend, a lot of money on any fancy meal prep containers. You don't have to do that. So here I'm showing you my cooking space and my cooking area and what I'll be using today to cook my salmon and meal prep my salmon. Um, and I'm going to start by cutting up the salmon and seasoning it and doing all that. But I want to really talk to you all about how meal prepping helps you save money, right? So when I was in college and I found that I was spending a lot of money on going out to eat with my friends, I was spending a lot of money. We went out to eat at least maybe every other day. And that was that was really messing up my budget for what I needed to do. And spend money on other important things, right? And so I was like, there has to be a way that I could like get myself to like stop spending so much money on food. And I was like, I'll just meal prep my meals so that whenever my friends do ask me to go out, I could just say, oh, I already have meal prep meals, so I'm gonna just go home and eat that. And so I really this really helped me, save money while being in college. I just meal prep my meals and had a meal prep for at least 3 days, 3 to 4 days out of the week. And then I would just, go out on the weekends and spend money if need be on some food. But I meal prep for the majority of the week, and it really did help me save a lot of money. And it also helped me because one of my goals was to stop eating as much, so it really helped me proportion out my meals too and proportion out my food. So you kind of get a two for one, right? Like if one of your goals is to eat less, or if one of your goals is to proportion your food out better, meal prepping will help you do that for sure, because you can only fit so much in those containers. So here you see me cooking and flipping my salmon, and I'm gonna let you all, take a look at how I cook my salmon, how I cook my baby spinach. This is what works for me. You all can cook it a whole different way, but I just really wanted to reiterate how meal prepping is gonna help you save some money. So I'm going to let you all watch this, and I'll come back and talk to you all about preparing and assembling the meal prep, and also how it'll help you save some more money. Hey everyone, I'm back, and I'm showing you now in this clip that I am taking out the spinach. It's done cooking down, it's done sauteing, and as you can see, even though I used a lot of spinach, that's what I'm left with, which is fine. It's enough to meal prep for the next 3 days and, put in my containers for the next 3 days. Okay, awesome. As you can see now, we're about to assemble the actual meal in the meal prep container. I already put the avocado on the one smaller portion side of the meal prep container, and now I'm going to put the salmon in the bigger slot. You could interchange it and do it either way you want. I just put the salmon in the big piece, in the big part of the meal prep container for what I wanted to use it for. And then I'm going to put some spinach on the opposite side of the avocado in the meal prep container, because I just like it that way. I like it proportioned out that way. Like I said, I believe I made enough spinach to last me for the next 3 days and for me to meal prep for the next 3 days. So I'm going to put a little spinach on the opposite side of where the avocado is in my meal prep container. And again, right, meal prepping is really a good way to, help save money. And also, proportion out your eating if you would like to, start doing that in this new year. Not sure, but if you would, it's a great way to help you save money, though, is what we're focusing on here. And it really helped me when I was in college to, think about how much money I'm spending when I go out to eat with friends. And instead of going out to eat, I could just, pull out a meal, or pull out one of my meal prep meals and eat that for dinner, instead of always constantly going out and spending money on food, fast food, restaurant food, doesn't matter. This really did help me save money, especially in college where I needed to save money. So as you can see, I'm done meal prepping. I just put the top on the container. Once I proportion everything out, I already have my next meal proportion for the next 3 days. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So I really, really believe in meal prepping. I think it's a great way to save money. Follow YFIA, likes, comment, subscribe on this video, share it with your friends, and follow us and stay connected, right, on all our social medias, as you can see right here. All right. Thank you all for hanging with me today and meal prepping with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.